Sure, a lot of us have been anxious on how to register for JAMB, and this might be your first time, so you have no idea you're going to do it. So I'm going to explain everything in full here, how you are going to do that. Okay, so make sure you click the subscribe button to our channel and put on the notification bell to receive more of these videos and our tutorials every day. Thanks for doing that, and God bless you. All right, let's go into what we have for today. One, how to register for JAMB. The first thing you need to do when you want to register for JAMB is to obtain your profile code by sending your full name to 55019. Now, I believe you already have a phone and you have a functioning or active phone number, so make sure your phone number has been linked to your NIN so that it won't be blocked, and that might disrupt your registration later on. But whichever case it is, make sure you have an active phone number. So hold your phone and text your full name to 55019. I believe it costs about 50 naira or so for this message, so make sure you recharge your phone with 100 naira or little so as to be able to do that. And when you do that, your full name must be in this format: your surname first, your first name, then your middle name, or your surname first, your middle name, then first name. For example, Olabode is my surname, then I might put something like Ayomdejo, the other names Joshua, Adekola, etc. So your surname first, then other name follows, and make sure there's a space in between them. Send them to 55019, nothing else, just your full name to 55019. Wait for some minutes or some hours. Well, it's very fast sometimes. After some minutes, you are going to receive a string of numbers, and those strings of numbers is your profile code. So make sure you save your profile code or write it somewhere, because it's going to be very useful when you want to register for your JAMB. Without it, you can't register for JAMB. So make sure you are able to write it in somewhere where you're not going to lose it, even if you lose your phone. So one of the problems that most applicants always face is this: after obtaining their profile code, they might lose the profile code somehow or the other. So there's a way you can retrieve your profile code if you lose it. Just make sure you recharge your line just as before. Then go to your message box, send resend. You just type resend. You know how to spell resend, like RESEND. Type resend and send it to 55019. Don't put your name, don't put anything, just type resend and send it to 55019, and the previous code that has been sent to you before is going to be sent to you again. Now make sure that when you are trying to do this, you use the same phone number that you initially used before you lost the profile code, so it can work easy. And make sure you recharge your line with at least 100 naira or so. Okay, and in case you typed your name wrongly and you want to correct your name, you can correct it by sending correct. You write correct, then you now write your name in the correct format itself. Listen to me, the first thing you write is correct. Type correct, then put your name, your full names in the correct way, then send it to 55019. The same cost is also 15 naira. So I think we've discussed new things. To obtain it in the beginning, send your full name to 55019. If you lost your profile code, you can type resend to 55019, and if you want to correct it, just type correct and your full name to 55019, and it's all done. So sorry for that. Okay, so now the second step: to obtain your NIN from closest NIMC office. You need to obtain your NIN, because remember, JAMB released the notification that it will be impossible for you to write JAMB unless you link or you have a national identity number. And to do that, you need to go to your NIMC office. They are going to put through the steps. It's very easy. All you just need to hold maybe 500 naira or so. I don't know, maybe they've already monetized it now too, because before it was free. So just hold some change, go there, and the registration is going to be done that same day. They might actually come and collect your identification number later on. So in fact, once you are registered, your identification number will be present on the number you used. Even though you are below 18, some of us are below 18, so you are still able to obtain your NIN. Just make sure your parents go with you. If you are below 18, they are going to use your parents' NIN number and use it as a kind of subsidiary to register for your own NIN too. So, and that way you will be able to obtain your NIN number, which is necessary for registering for JAMB. So after that, the third step is to visit the nearest bank branch near you. UBA, Echo, First Bank. In fact, First Bank is preferable. Go to the nearest bank branch that is faster, and go to the place, hold your money. I think the amount for e-pin is about 3,500 or 4,000 naira, which is yet to be released. So let's just assume it's 3,500 or 4,000 naira. Go to the branch and tell them you want to pay for JAMB form. They are going to understand. You don't need to do anything. They will give you a form to fill, just normal way you deposit, and you fill it and you pay, and then you will be giving your electronic pin after some minutes, and sometimes it might be sent to your phone number, but it's preferable they give it to you in the bank on your receipt and whatsoever. So once you collect your e-pin, the next thing you need to do is visit the nearest accredited CBT center. So not all CBT center is accredited, so you must find the one that is accredited. You might ask people around, and if you are not so sure, you can just go to the nearest JAMB office. They are going to refer you to a place you are going to register. So make sure you go along with your profile code, because it's very necessary for registration. Without it, you can't register. That's why I say you must not lose your profile code. Then ensure you have a valid email. This valid email is going to be used to create a profile account for you alongside with your profile code on JAMB portal. So is this email that you are going to be using to log in after you gain admission, to check your admission status, to print your admission letter and other stuff. So make sure you have a valid profile code and a valid email and also a valid phone number. So after that, just print out your registration form and all done. All your registration form, and wait until your exam date is released before you print it again. So that's all about registering for exam year 2021. Make sure you follow the steps and everything is going to be alright. So see you in our next video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share our video. God bless you.